Hi friends, welcome to the Sight Word Express, where learning is always on track. I'm Trinity the train. Today, we're going on a fun train ride through Wordville to learn some super important sight words. These are special words you see all the time when you read. And today, we're going to spot them, say them, and maybe even sing them. So grab your conductor's hat and get ready to roll. Next stop, Smartville. The is the first word on our journey. Next is the word and. That. To. My. You. With. This. For. But. Have. Will. Each. Look. Day. On. Some. Can. Is. Go. All. As. He. Who. See? Last, the word come. All aboard the Sight Word Express. Thanks for riding with us. Keep chugging along and we'll see you at the next stop. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Trinity Kids.